session we are going to learn about trace of the matrix and sum of two matrices and multiplication of two matrices. So how to perform the trace of a matrix? So if you missed the previous sessions of this matrices chapter, you can check it out in the description. I have given a link there. Now in this session we are going to learn about trace of a matrix. How to perform a trace of a matrix? So what is meant by the trace? Trace is nothing but addition of the principal diagonal elements. What is meant by diagonal matrix? A diagonal matrix is nothing but which has a elements in the diagonal basis. So addition of those diagonal elements is known as a trace of a matrix. Addition of these diagonal elements is known as trace of a matrix. Let us check what is the trace of this matrix A. So trace of matrix A is equal to what I have said, addition of the principal diagonal elements. 1 plus 1 plus 3. What's this answer? Is equal to 5. So what is the trace of the matrix A? Trace of matrix A is 5. Okay. Now trace of the matrix is finished. Next, what next? Addition of the matrices. Let's see the addition of the matrices. How addition of the matrices is performed? Is it possible to perform matrices addition between the two matrices? Yes, it is possible. How to add two matrices? Let us take a matrix A and a matrix B. And now here, how the addition of the matrix is performed? By adding the first element of the matrix A to the corresponding first element of the matrix B comes the addition of the matrices. So what is the matrix A? Let us take an example: 1 minus 1 0 3. And in matrix B, let us take an example as 1 2 3 4. So how to perform the addition of the matrices? By adding the first element of the matrix A to the corresponding first element of the matrix B. Here let us see A plus B. Or 1 plus 1. Next here minus 1 plus 2. Next here 0 plus 3. Next 3 plus 4. Adding the elements of the matrix A to the corresponding elements of the matrix B is known as addition of the matrices. So answer will be 1 plus 1 2. Minus 1 plus 2 1. 0 plus 3 3. 4 plus 3 7. Okay. And next, subtraction of the matrices. Subtraction is also same as addition of the matrices. Here also, subtracting the corresponding element of the first element of matrix A is known as the subtraction of the matrices. Let us see now. Next, A minus B. How subtraction of two matrices are performed? By subtracting the first element of the matrix A to the corresponding first element of the matrix B. 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2. 0 minus 3. 3 minus 4. So what is 1 minus 1? 0. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3. 0 minus 3. Minus 3. 3 minus 4. Minus 1. Yeah. Next, how to perform product of two matrices? Do you know how to perform the product of two matrices? Now let us see product of two matrices. How to perform the multiplication between the matrices. The multiplication of two matrices is performed by row and column basis. We have to multiply the each row with each column present in the B matrix. Each row with each column present in the B matrix. And again each row present in the A should be multiplied with the each column present in the B matrix. Let us see how it performs. A cross B. is equal to, now let us see, 2 into 0. What I have said, each row should be multiplied with each column, plus 3 into minus 1. And next 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Each row I am multiplying with each column. And next third column, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 3. Next second row with each and every column. 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. And 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2. And 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3. Okay. What is 2 into 0? 0. 3 into minus 1? Minus 3. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 0s are 0. 3 3s are 9. 1 0s are 0. Minus 2. 4 plus 4. 0 plus 6. So what is 0 minus 3? Minus 3. 8 plus 6? 14. 0 plus 9? 9. 0 minus 2? Minus 2. 4 plus 4? 8. 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay, we have to perform the matrix product of the matrices of the function like this. You no need to worry, I will give the definitions of each and everything at the description. Okay na?